How to use binaural beats meditation for sleep. In this video, we'll explore what binaural beats are, how they work, and how you can use them to improve your sleep. Binaural beats are a type of auditory illusion that is created when two different frequencies are played in each ear. This creates a third frequency that is perceived by the brain, which can have a relaxing and meditative effect. These beats have been sleep. Binaural beats work by stimulating the brain's natural frequency following response. The brain's tendency to match its frequency to external stimuli, such as sound. Binaural beats, the brain will naturally start to match the frequency of the beats, which can help induce it. To use binaural beats for sleep, you'll need a pair of headphones and a quiet place to listen. You can find binaural beats for sleep on various apps, websites, and YouTube channels. That is specific. Next, lie down in a comfortable position, close your eyes, and start listening to the binaural beats. Allow yourself to relax and focus on the sound of the beats. You may find that it takes minutes to get into a meditative state, but with practice, enter this. Try to let go of any thoughts or worries and focus on your breath. You can also visualize a peaceful scene or repeat a calming mantra to help relax your mind and body. The binaural beats will help you stay in a meditative. Here are some tips to help you get the most out of binaural beats for sleep. Use binaural beats for sleep every night to establish a routine and train your brain to associate. Remember, binaural beats can be a powerful tool to promote relaxation, reduce stress, and improve sleep. With a little practice, you can use this technique to get the deep rest. Click the link below this video for a binaural beats for sleep download.